Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a card using this splash stamp. It looks like a splash of paint. I use a stamping in craft paper with my distress oxidant ends in different colors. I'm going to stamp in yellows, greens, purples, blues. I try to pick up lighter colors to be very notable in the paper. But even the darkers, they look good in the craft paper. These inks are amazing. Now I stamp in a little circle, and after that I'm going to add splashes of white acrylic paint. I'm cutting right now two frames, one with big circles and one with medium circles, and I already cut one in white that is going to be my sentiment. It's going to be happy birthday, and I try to cut everything in the colors of the splashes. I'm also going to cut the happy birthday in teal, and I'm going to cut it in black because I feel that I get a little bit lost in the teal color. And I'm going to glue first the black, and I'm going to place the teal a little bit off the black to make a frame. Now I'm going to cut these die cuts that look like dripping paint. It also is used for Halloween in red. It looked like dripping blood, but right now I want dripping paint, and I'm going to cut gluten a little bit off of the paper because I want the top part to be straight. And I cut it in like olive green or something like that. I really don't know what is this color. Because it was more similar to the one that I stamped on. After I do this, I'm going to glue my card panel to my card base. That is going to be white cardstock, 110 pounds. I normally use Cougar. I like it because it's not that expensive. For the purpose of the card, it's very strong and it's very good paper. After I glue my card panel to my card base, I'm going to add enamel dots in the same color. Oh, okay, I always forget this. I'm going to add Winkle Stylus to the letters, and I'm going to add glossy accents to the letters to give it a little bit more dimension or something comes into the card. And after that, I'm going to add enamel dots in different sizes and in the same colors as the splashes that I stamped on the beginning, and also a little bit in white. Well, this is my card for today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next time. Goodbye.